Most people don't struggle with money because they're bad at math. They struggle because they don't have a system. Money comes in, bills get paid, unexpected expenses hit, and somehow the month is gone. The frustrating part? Many people work hard and still feel stuck financially, not because they're lazy, not because they're unlucky, but because they never got a simple roadmap. If I had to start over financially today with little savings and no perfect plan, this is the 90-day reset I'd follow. Week 1. Face reality. Start by checking the last 3 months of your bank and credit card statements. Track every expense. Then sort them into 3 categories: fixed expenses, discretionary expenses, debt payments. This step may be uncomfortable, but it shows you where your money is actually going. Week 2. Stop the leaks. Now cut what doesn't matter. Cancel unused subscriptions, reduce impulse spending, cook at home more, compare bills and insurance. The goal isn't to stop enjoying life, it's to spend with intention. Week 3. Build your safety net. Your first savings goal is $1,000. Not because it's huge, but because it gives you breathing room. Keep it in a high-yield savings account. This is your emergency buffer, not investment money. Week 4. Eliminate high-interest debt. If you have credit card debt, it is holding you back. Focus on paying off the highest interest debt first. Every dollar you eliminate gives you more freedom. Week 5. Build a system. Don't rely on motivation. Set up automatic transfers for savings and investing. Pay yourself first before anything else. Make good money habits automatic. Week 6. Put your money to work. Saving protects money. Investing grows it. Start with simple, diversified index funds. You don't need to time the market. You just need consistency. Week 7. Increase your income. You can only cut so much, but you can earn more. Ask for a raise. Learn a new skill. Start freelancing or a side hustle. More income means more room to build wealth. Week 8. Define your target. Don't save blindly. Set clear goals for savings, debt payoff, and investing. Write them down so they become real. Week 9. Track your progress. Measure your net worth every month. Add what you own, subtract what you owe. Watching that number improve keeps you focused. Week 10. Focus on the big wins. Small expenses matter, but big ones matter more. Housing, transportation, insurance. Improving these areas can save you far more than cutting coffee ever will. Week 11. Create additional income streams. One income source is good. More is better. Build another stream through freelancing, content, a business, or investing. That creates more stability and less risk. Week 12. Build your lifetime wealth system. By now, you have a plan. You know where your money goes. You have savings, goals, and investments. Now keep repeating the process. Wealth is built through consistency, not perfection. 90 days from now, your finances can look very different. Not because of luck, not because of a secret, but because you followed a system. Start today. The goal isn't to get rich fast. The goal is to build wealth steadily. Slow wealth is still wealth. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Tyler Wealth for more simple strategies on building wealth, mastering money, and creating financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.